bit of kismet that the same month we drove the Caterham 620R, we drove the Lucra LC470. On the first pass there are plenty of similarities, both were dreamed up by one man with a particular vision of lightweight driving enjoyment, both are reminders of mid-20th century design, both have Spartan interiors, both will make loud noises and throw down when the accelerator gets a wallop. Yet there is more than one substantial difference. The 1,200-pound Caterham tops out with the supercharged four-cylinder with 310 horsepower that howls like an angry kelpie under the whip, where the 2,000-pound Lucra is just getting started with the 520 horsepower LS7 V8, and roars like Zeus through large rectangular side pipes. Lucra creator Luke Richards is from Southern California but grew up in England, which is how you get the mashup of a curvaceous and feathery European body propelled by high horsepower iron, or in this case, aluminum. That body is made entirely of three-layer carbon fiber. The monocoque weighs 130 pounds and is riveted to a laser-cut, tube-framed chassis, then laid up with more CF underneath to fully enclose the tubes. In the best tradition of English roadsters with minimal protection from the elements, a greater test of character in the oldie than Orange County, the Lucra doesn't come with windows but you can order a set of Lexan inserts. Its shape was inspired by the Lister Jaguars of the late 1950s, have a look at the Lister Nobile Jaguar and you're most of the way to the Lucra LC470, down to the yellow and green paint job worn by the first show car Lucras, or the one that appeared in Fast and Furious 6. It was a fitting design well to draw from, as Brian Lister was also a lone tinkerer devoted to producing his own sports cars. We like the look of it. Even with that probing snout, it's the best kind of drivable evolution of something from Hanna-Barbera's Wacky Races, all curves in two axes and shrink-wrap length to the other. 18-inch wheels have never looked so big. From outside the car, our favorite aspect is from the rear, where that wide round tail hangs only just above the ground on tires as wide as Alaska. Underneath the exotica many of the Lucra's bits are prosaic General Motors components, like the C4 Corvette suspension links and the C6 electronic door latches, the fuel pump and regulator from a Chevrolet Silverado 1500 pickup. But who needs bespoke trunk latches? You'll find plenty of above and beyond treats where it matters, like 12-sided military spec bolts throughout and wiring harnesses made in-house with lightweight, aviation-grade wires and connectors. The LS7 breathes through custom 1.875-inch MagnaFlow headers and a ceramic-coated exhaust,